Hello everyone, +2 here. We are doing 2025 Level 3 integration, question 2a. The graph below shows the function y equals sine cubed x, cosine cubed x. Find the shaded area under the curve between the values of x equals 0 to pi over 2. You must use calculus and show the results of any integration needed to solve the problem. All right, so well, question itself is simple. All you have to do is integral 0 to pi over 2 sine cubed x cosine cubed x, right? dx. So, well, we can't integrate as it is because we do not have a product rule like in differentiation. So again, we have to use substitution method. So say let in this case u be sine x. Okay, so what is du dx is cosine x, right? Hence dx equals du cosine x, right? So here we can reduce cosine cubed x to cosine squared x, right? So because it's gonna cancel out cosine x there. So cosine squared x equals 1 minus sine squared x, which becomes 1 minus u squared. So if I rewrite this, it becomes u cubed, and I'm gonna write cosine cubed x, and instead of dx we say du cosine x. Okay, so as I said, this cancels out and that becomes 2, and as you know, sine squared x plus cosine squared x is 1, right? So I can rewrite cosine squared x is 1 minus sine squared x. In this case, sine x is u, so I can say 1 minus u squared. So that is u cubed. So instead of cosine squared x, I say 1 minus u squared du, right? So have you noticed I didn't write these limits? Or yeah, because I changed to u, so I don't want to change it now. So when I integrate this and u be back to sine x, I will use the limits. So here, if I extend this, u cubed minus u to the power of 5 du, so that becomes u to the power of 4 over 4 minus u to the power of 6 over 6, right? And then I substitute back. So u is a sine x, so I say sine to the power of 4x over 4 minus sine to the power of 6x over 6, 0 to pi over 2, right? Then it becomes, hold on. It becomes, so when I plug pi over 2 into x, that's simply sine pi over 2 to the power of 4 over 4 minus sine pi over 2 to the power of 6 over 6. And then when you plug 0, that's simply it's a 0, isn't it? Yeah. So as you know, sine graph of sine pi over 2 is 1, right? So that's simply 1 to the power of 4, which is just 1, a quarter minus 1/6, right? So which is 6 minus 4 over 24, which is 2 over 24, which is 1/12 is the answer. So because it's area, right? So we would want to say units squared should be the answer. All right, cool. I will see you next time. Bye.